Alright, let's get right into this one. Australia, such a beautiful place. I had so much fun here. Unfortunately, my whole time being here, I had pretty bad biz, but that's okay, it's the way it goes. First drop in this spot, found a can. Nice. Pick that up, toss it away. Next I found these, I forget what they're called. They're not a tetra, I'm not sure. Just super beautiful fish. You can see all the oysters on the rocks too. All those silver fish, most of those are called brim. Kept looking around, didn't see a whole lot. To be honest, I think the first half of this video is a bit slow, but it kind of picks up in the second half. This is just kind of showing the areas I was hunting. Right here was actually in the mangroves. You can see all the little root systems that pop up. I think it's root systems. I don't know. Either way, they suck to walk on. See some guys crab trap there. This is just a piling. You can see all the different invertebrates on it and whatnot. Cool looking spot. You'd think you'd see a lot more fish, but all the fish I did see were pretty small. There's the mangroves again. I was hoping to find a mangrove jack. That would have been sick. This is actually a little school of mullet that swam by. I managed to shoot one, but not this time. I was out. And that noise you hear is actually me grunting underwater. It's a type of hunting style that some people use to try and attract certain fish in. Didn't work for me. Maybe they don't like my Canadian accent. While in Australia, I obviously wanted to buy a new spear gun, so at first I was thinking about getting something cheap, and then I wanted something a little bit durable. So I decided to go with a 110 Rob Allen Sparred Evo. Rob Allen has a lifetime warranty over there, so it's hard to give that one up. And they have just such a nice trigger mechanism, and it's such a reliable brand. And they're also so sick, so you can interchange Rob Allen guns with each other, so you can kind of customize them. A lot bigger than what I'm used to. Again, visibility wasn't too great, but yeah, I didn't see a whole lot moving around. Now this is where things got a bit more exciting. I think the tide had changed. You can see a lot more fish around the area. All of them pretty undersized, or I just can't even get close to them. The hunting style is so different here. You gotta be a way better hunter, I find, than where I'm at. So I want to keep practicing around my location, so then if I do travel again, I can get a bit better. Very common sight here when you're snorkeling is all these little yellow and black fish called stripies. I love them. And here's actually a mascot I found. I was pretty stoked. It had a little bit of growth on it, but managed to clear her off, and I still rock that every now and again. Cheeky little shrimp or baby cray here. Oh, butterbrim. You can find these guys in the thousands, and they love to steal your bait, but still so cool to swim with so many fish. quickly noticed something out of the corner of my eye, and I actually found a GoPro. I looked at the footage on it, tried to post on multiple sites about returning it back to its owner, but no one seemed to claim it, so it's mine. Then I was fortunate enough to find an octopus, and that was pretty sick. I gave him a couple pokes, but I wasn't planning on keeping him. I believe this bad boy is a narrow line pufferfish. Pufferfish aren't afraid to nip at you either. And then after him, I actually swam right up to a stingray. GoPro, of course, was pointed too far down, but still cool to see. Not sure what this coral or this sponge was, but I just thought it was really cool looking. It's like a brain. How's this for a quick shot? I actually thought, to be honest, that it was a yellowfin brim because there was a school of those I went by, and then this guy behind him turned out to be a silver drummer, which isn't a really good eating fish, but it was still cool. I've never shot one before, obviously, and still ate them, so. I was lucky enough on my swim back to find a school of striped catfish. I've seen them a few times before, and I don't know, it's just so mesmerizing to watch them all swim in such a tight group. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. And just frickin' give her.